Hello everyone.
Hi everyone.
Let's get on the time for our annual company event.
I think tonight the would be a little fun.
Wow, that sounds cool. People love dressing up in vintage style.
I'm not sure. Some people might find it hard to find costume.
What about a tropical beach? Theme instead, it's simple and relaxing. I like that it's decorated and everyone enjoying it. Both are great ideas. Retro is fun, but tropical might be easier to manage.
Good point. Let's send out quick for the world team and go with the most popular choice.